Good morning to all.
Okay.
My name is Rakib Sayed.
Yes,
I am
yes, yes.
I am studying in Vikas Academy.
Okay. Okay. Student of Vikas Academy. Okay.
Stu-
So Mr. Sakib is here. Good morning once again, all of you. I am I Mujawar, founder and director of Vikas Career Academy. So as you know that we teach communication skills and personality development, stage courage, public speaking, so on. And same time we are going to help you regarding get the job. So dear students, we have tied up with many MNC companies. No doubt we improve your communication skills, we improve your pronunciation, we improve your vocabulary, we improve grammar, and we improve your presentation skills. So today is here Mr. Rakib here. Rakib Sayed is from 1 hour. So we are having, or we are going to have a conversation between teacher and new student. So he is a student and I am a teacher. May I come in? You can start.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in. So you can see the camera. So could you tell me what is your name?
My name is Rakib Sayed.
Rakib. Are you new student?
Yes, I am a new student.
Jorageli, no?
I am a new student.
Have you taken the admission?
Yes, I am a taken admission.
Admission. Okay, Rakib. So please stand here.
Yes.
I want to introduce all the students here. I want to introduce all the classroom students, our class students. So please tell about yourself. Tell about you.
My name is Rakib Sayed. I am from 1 hour. I am studying in Vikas Academy.
Okay.
Here,
So tell me about your family.
my family is short.
Okay, small
short
family
My
or micro family,
Micro
nuclear family.
family. Uh, my my parents are Papa is dead. Uh,
My mother
my
is
my
homemaker.
mother is how
Homemaker.
homemaker. My brother in Dubai.
Hmm.
My my second brother is in the 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. So what? Do you have any business?
No.
No business. Okay. Do you want to go Dubai?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Fine. So what are your hobbies? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳೇನು?
My hobby is praying.
Say loudly. Say loudly.
My hobby is praying.
My hobbies are.
My hobbies are playing.
Hmm?
My hobbies are praying
God. Praying God.
praying
Performing namaz.
performing namaz.
Performing namaz.
My hobbies are studying the books.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you read newspaper? No, you don't read newspaper. Okay. So why do you want to learn spoken English?
my English is perfectly.
You want to
Perfect.
improve your communication skills.
Yes.
And you want to improve your fluency. Okay,
Yes.
nothing to worry, Rakib. If you
Yes.
attend this course for 2 months, no doubt you will be happy and you'll get more fluency, and definitely you'll get the job also. All the best.
All the best.
Take care.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Take care.